Manipur Police arrested a member of the Kangleipak Communist Party People's War Group on October 10. Mayang Langbam Danbir 39 was arrested at his residence in Kiamgai, Maninglaikai, Imphal East District. Authorities accused Danbir, who allegedly used multiple aliases including Danabir, Awangwa and Lanchenba, of extorting money from shops and residents in and around Imphal. The arrest comes amid ongoing security operations in Manipur's hill and valley districts. In a separate incident, security forces conducted searches in vulnerable areas, uncovering a significant cache of weapons and explosives. The seized items include one China-made grenade CMG, tear gas gun, 9mm pistol with magazine, 14 live rounds of ammunition, one 303 sniper rifle, one single-barrel breech loading gun, one improvised explosive device weighing approximately 1.35 kg, 3 high-explosive hand grenades, 2 tear smoke grenades, 1 Baofeng radio. Said additional items recovered include various items of ammunition, anti-riot equipment and specialized grenades. The weapons were found in the foothills between Aigejang village and Uyok in Bishnupur district.